Heads or tails? Some decisions in life can be determined with the flip of a coin. Your financial future shouldn't be one of them. Hi, I'm Hank Overfelt, a Mutual of Omaha financial advisor who's helped many families in the Omaha area. Even if you haven't started yet, I'm here to let you know that it's never too late to plan for your financial future. At Mutual of Omaha, our goal for everyone is a financial future imagined, planned, and secured. Like the two sides of a coin, every financial plan should focus on both accumulation and protection. So, if you've been focusing on retirement savings for the future, but you haven't considered insurance solutions like life insurance, you're probably leaving out an important part of the equation. Life insurance plays an important role in every family's financial plans. Unfortunately, many people neglect this side of planning, and others underestimate how much coverage their loved ones will need, putting their family's financial security at risk and leaving their financial future up to chance. While I don't recommend flipping a coin to determine whether you need life insurance or not, or if you need to increase the coverage you currently have, there's a proven approach that can help with these decisions, and all it takes is the dime. More specifically, the process we use is called a dime analysis. It's an easy to understand evaluation of your debt, income, mortgage, and education needs. We'll start with the D in dime, debt. We'll add up how much debt you have outside of your mortgage. This includes things like school loans, credit card debt, medical expenses, and car loans. From there, we'll evaluate the I, your income. We'll determine how much you make in a year. Plus, we'll take it a step further by determining how much income you would need to replace over an extended period of time. Next, we'll look at the M, your mortgage. Most people want to be certain their families will be able to remain in their home even if they are no longer around. So, we'll determine how much you have left to pay on your home. And finally, we'll look at E, education, and discuss your goals for how you're going to pay for your children's college. It's important to remember the cost of a college education goes up each year, so I'll show you an estimate of what it may cost when your kids are ready to go off to school. The best way to show you how this works is to look at an example. Let's consider Jason and Michelle, a couple in their early 30s. Jason is in sales and travels quite a bit. Michelle recently decided to stay at home and care for their two young children. For the sake of time, let's focus on Jason. Outside of their mortgage, Jason and Michelle have $75,000 in debt from student loans, credit cards, and car loans. So, if Jason passed away, we'd want to make sure that this is paid off. Jason makes $100,000 per year, and Michelle, along with his children, will rely on his income for the next 15 years. That adds up to $1.5 million over that time period. For easy math, we'll skip inflation. He has $325,000 remaining on his mortgage, and he wants to pay for his two children to go to a 4-year college, which I'll estimate at $400,000. Based on this dime analysis, Jason would need roughly $2.3 million of life insurance coverage. You might be thinking that sounds like a lot. And Jason may already have some of this covered through his employer, which is a great start. But by walking through the dime analysis, we can identify any gaps that exist between Jason's current coverage and what he may need. We can also see how far Jason's income goes to help provide for the life he and Michelle have built. And if something happens to Jason and that income isn't available, it could dramatically impact the lives of his wife and children. Based on the answers to your personal dime analysis that we'll review for both you and your spouse, I'll come up with 2 or 3 recommendations for each of you, and we'll work together to decide what makes the most sense. No matter how much coverage your family needs, I can customize a protection plan that's right for you. We have a variety of different life insurance solutions available that can fit your needs, your goals, and your budget. And you just might be surprised at how affordable your options are. It's never too late to protect your family's financial future. To receive a customized dime analysis, book an appointment today. I look forward to getting to know you and showing you how I can help.